In this video, we have another bad pedestrian situation. Now, this happened after a local minor league hockey team hosted a $3 beer night. Now, you can watch the guy in the hockey jersey, who had obviously been overserved, and was still carrying a beer, walk out in front of a car that was ahead of me. Now, then I attempted, foolishly, to turn down the street of which he had walked across to. The drunk pedestrian then decided to stagger out in front of me and use an obscene gesture at me while he was staggering across the street. Now, I'm not sure where he was staggering off to, because the direction he was headed, there were no parking areas or residential areas. Now, you can hear my displeasure in this video because I had to edit my foul language.
Whatever it is, it ain't gonna like that puddle of water.
Yeah, and it's headed that way. Then you got an idiot that walks right out in front of the cars. The two idiots with the beer. Watch him. Dumbass. Shall I say something?
No.
Stupid! I didn't say anything ugly, just stupid.
Hey you, yeah, you. If you enjoyed this video and want me to continue making these videos, leave a like, leave a comment, share this video, even click that little subscribe button. Come on, you know you wanna.